Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a simple recipe to turn grey hair into black. Here I am using indigo powder. I have bought this from Amazon. Indigo powder is a natural hair dye. People who are allergic to chemical dyes can try this indigo powder. It is a best alternative to chemical dyes. Here I am taking 5 to 6 tablespoons of indigo powder into a bowl. You can take as per your hair length. And the next ingredient is amla. Here I am using Banjara's Amla Powder. I have given the buying links of these products in the description box. You guys can check that. Amla powder prevents premature graying. It also makes your hair healthy and strong. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of amla powder. And the next ingredient is hibiscus powder. Here also I am taking Banjara's hibiscus powder. Hibiscus powder helps in controlling hair fall and graying. It also conditions your hair. Take 2 tablespoons of hibiscus powder equal to amla. Mix these ingredients. Mix it into a fine paste using water. Add water gradually according to thickness. You can apply this indigo powder on your hair after applying a coat of henna. It is one method of applying this. Another method of applying it is you can also mix this henna powder and indigo powder. Here I am taking equal amount of henna powder. Add required amount of water to the mixture. Mix until you get a smooth paste. You can also mix henna a night before and add indigo powder to it the next morning. Here I am mixing all the ingredients at a time. Apply this paste on hair and leave it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, wash it off. This mask acts as a natural hair dye. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.